If you're on here, you're more than likely a creative or a YouTuber or a business owner who has less than 500 subs or less than 1,000 subs, or just the individual wondering how do you get monetized on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to teach you how it's possible to monetize your channel without meeting the milestones of being part of the YouTube Partner Program. And you're probably wondering, how is that possible? So before we go into that, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to meet, because let's face it, it takes a lot to be monetized on YouTube. It's like the gold rush today. Most people spend tons of time chasing it. And so what I'm going to teach you is going to help you not only get monetized, but it's going to help you to make money in the process of going towards monetization. And it's not going to be something that you commonly hear. I'm going to teach you different ways of how to get monetized, and I'm going to walk you through the steps and how to get past the huge requirements to actually get monetized. So a lot of people who are chasing to go viral, talking about things they really don't enjoy, we're gonna skip all of that, all right? I hope that's okay with you, because I'm someone who does not like forcing topics that I don't like talking about, and you shouldn't either. A lot of people get anxiety and they burn out. Actually, a lot of YouTubers who are someone who's well established on social media don't really enjoy it, because they get burnt out because they feel they need to force content because they did not start with this or they didn't have this information. So I'm gonna give you this information. We're gonna go through it step by step. Make sure you watch this entire video, because you're not gonna wanna miss it, because one of these methods is going to teach you to make money now, despite how big your subscriber count is and where you are in the process of meeting the monetization requirements for YouTube. First of all, what are the requirements to be monetized on YouTube? On YouTube right now, and this may change by the time depending on when you're watching this video, but currently you have to meet the following requirements. You need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers, and you need to meet one of two conditions. Condition number one is you need to have 4,000 viewed public hours, meaning that people need to consume over 4,000 hours of your content, or you need to meet 10 million short views. 10 million short views. Now, I don't know about you, but that's a lot, and I'm nowhere near there. And I still make money. I'm gonna show you how to make money, all right? You do not need to get that much done to make money. I'm gonna show you how to make money right now, you know, because that takes a lot. And it's a reason that the milestone and the bar is set that high. Actually, once you get part of the monetization program, that's not it. That's just the barrier to entry. After that, you also need to maintain a certain amount of views in order to get paid. And this is why a lot of creatives quit or abandon or burn out in their journey, because they're trying to impress an algorithm instead of standing for a community that they actually care for and that they want to serve. And so two people get cheated. They get cheated because they're creating something that doesn't bring them joy, and then the people that they want to engage in, you know, get cheated because they're working with somebody who's not truly passionate about what they're doing. You do not want to do that, because I'm telling you right now, as somebody who's been in business for close to 10 years, who has coached and worked with several different businesses, some with well-established social media following and verification marks that they didn't pay for before things like Instagram started allowing people to pay for a subscription to get verified. You don't need to do any of that. You can start making money right now without any of these social media requirements, especially on YouTube. In order to make money, how the monetization works is the platforms want you to create content so they keep viewers in. When you're a part of the partner program, what happens is they show ads during your videos to keep people engaged, because business owners usually pay to have ads ran on that platform, and that is what drives income. And a lot of people either swipe off or they end up going to the next video, and the goal is to create engaging content that keeps people glued to your video, and that's how you get paid. Now, it's not that to say that it's not great. The only thing is it's unforeseeable. You may make money that is really high or low, but you don't really know until the end of the month. And a lot of people who depend on this end up abandoning the dream, or they end up struggling and starting back to square one. And so we're not going to get into that. We're going to get past that. We're going to prevent that. And if you are a YouTuber who is currently a part of this, I'm sure you can relate. Let me know in the comments. And if you are a YouTuber watching this video and you're currently not a part of the program, I want us to help each other out. Why don't you drop a comment below, and viewers who are watching, go to the comments and let's go and subscribe and support each other. It's one way to help right now early on. Now, as we watch this a little bit deeper, if you aren't already, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be teaching you a lot more on how to make money, and we're going to be talking about individual niches in each video. In this video, I'm going to go over different ways on how to get monetized. There's affiliate marketing. What does that mean? No, I'm not talking about some pyramid scheme where you go and join this, that, and the third. There's creative ways to do this. Affiliate marketing is where you get a link, right, and you include it into your videos, and you talk about specific topics, and you lead your viewers to that link, and then you get compensated for every subscriber or person who pays based off of that link that directs to your specific URL, depending on what you partner with. It's a great way to get your foot in the door when you don't have a product or a service and you're somebody looking to build up. Then you have sponsorships, which is going to be something that follows. Sponsorships are something amazing, and you don't need a huge following. What you need is a niche, something that is videos you regularly talk about, and you don't need as much subscribers or followers. As you get bigger as a channel, you're going to notice that they come to you, but you can also approach them as well. And a lot of the times these individuals want you to feature and discuss their products or whatever they have to drive traffic, because it helps them when you have a specific niche that meets the demographic that they're looking to target. So they always are looking for opportunities. You'd be surprised at big brand deals. Sponsorship deals are great ways because you get to negotiate as well what you want to charge, the scope, and you get to create an opportunity. These are known as like brand deals, you know. Big names like Drake created one with Sprite. Athletes create them with endorsements from Nike. But you don't have to be a LeBron, you don't have to be a Drake to get a brand deal. What you can do is get a lot of these smaller brands and up and coming brands that you attract viewers, and you can say, hey, look, I have a platform with videos geared to this. It's on the rise, and I would love to talk about your product or service. Are you open to sponsorship deals? And you approach them, and then that opens up doors for you and opportunities for them, and it's a win-win. Lastly, my biggest one that I want to get you to is number one. The biggest way to do it is to create a product of your own or a service of your own and lead viewers to that. Become your own sponsor, become your own, you know, so that way you get a full compensation of what you have to offer. Nobody is taking a piece of profits that you're doing. You're not profit sharing with YouTube, you're not profit sharing with the sponsor, but it is all yours. And you own your email list, you own your subscribers, contact information, and you can repeat the sales. And I'm about to teach you, and that's going to be in another video where I go a little bit deeper into this. After you have a product or service created, now you have different topics that your product or your service resolves or improves that you discuss. That's going to lead to attracting these individuals and creating a win-win situation, which is going to allow you to, one, please the algorithm where you're creating relevant videos, right? Because it is looking for consistency and persistence. And you're also going to be able to gravitate towards a specific audience without being salesy, and you're going to see your viewership and everything go up. Trust me, the more consistent you stay, the better, but you don't have to force any topics. That's the best thing about this. So definitely make sure that you have something. It's better be prepared for opportunity versus get opportunity and not be prepared. You want to create videos that discuss and lead customers or potential leads to that specific video, and you want to capture their information. So when you get subscribers and you have something, you want to approach it like this. Hey, if you're somebody watching this video and you can use help with creating this product or service, and you don't know the steps and you're looking for direction, or you have one, I want to give you an opportunity to work with me one-on-one by clicking the link below and checking out our products. Actually go and check it out, because there's some big opportunities. I'm actually going to be giving viewers watching this video an opportunity to work with me one-on-one, get exposure to all my tools done for you, plug and play, and we're going to create personalized action implementation plan, which is pretty much essentially, in short, a business plan that is catered to you, your situation, where you're at. All you have to do is simply go to www.createwithvince.com and apply for a one-on-one call with me. Now, I don't have all the time in the world. I'm only one person, so this is on a first come, first served basis, and this is my way to giving to individuals like you. Now, if you approach it like this, without being salesy, but more so offering an opportunity, that is going to lead to you being able to serve versus sell. All I'm trying to do is just serve the people that are watching. So this video is catered to people who are creatives, people who are trying to make money, people who are trying to build stuff and to create opportunities. And the best way to create opportunities for yourself and others is to create win-win situations. And that's what this video was about. I hope you found value in this video. If you're somebody on this YouTube journey like myself, don't stop. Keep going and dream big. Don't dream small, and play big. Don't play small. Taking small steps, one video at a time, one idea at a time, and sticking with it and staying on course, and do not jump from one thing to another, as most of us do, which leads to procrastination. You'd be surprised what consistency and staying persistent can do for you. For myself, my business started with just an idea to create an opportunity vehicle to give me a work-life balance. And not only that, to serve others, as I was struggling to begin in my journey as a solopreneur with limited time and resources. And I saw a need and an empty void in the market that I wanted to fill, because there weren't many options, or they were too out of reach. And that's why I created an experience versus just a overall coaching. I take a business life coaching approach that is individualized to the person versus just giving a one size fits all. We walk you through A to Z. This is something where it started as an idea, it started as just one-on-one coaching, and it evolved to a book. It evolved to an accelerator mastermind community, and also it evolved into me being able to throw big events and help individuals like yourself. I've worked with over 100+ different entrepreneurs from different walks, all different situations, and I've even been featured on some big podcasts as well. And I have a podcast coming out, Create with Vince, where I'm going to be having featured guests like yourself. If you're somebody interested, email me and we can talk about it, as this will be emerging. Depending on when you're watching this, it may already be out, but I want to get that door open to be able to add impact. And that's the whole point. This is a movement. This is not a video. This is not a channel. This is a movement geared towards helping the evolution of creatives live and build and create sustainable dreams. And let's one together. Create, build, sustain in all you do. Thanks for watching us. I appreciate y'all. One love. Peace.